Welcome to our guide on converting images to PDFs on Mac. Need to turn an image into a PDF on your Mac? It's easier than you think. This introduction will show you how built-in tools like Preview and Files apps make the process simple. No extra software needed. We'll cover methods that ensure your images are perfect for sharing, archiving, or printing. With recent updates to macOS Sequoia, the process is now even more streamlined with AI-driven previews that automatically suggest conversions. The Preview app is the classic way to convert images to PDFs on Mac. First, open your image in Preview. You can do this by double-clicking the image file or right-clicking it and selecting Open with Preview. Once the image is open in Preview, go to the File menu in the top menu bar. Click on Export as PDF. A dialog box will appear where you can choose your desired save location and quality settings. For photos, higher quality settings preserve the best image resolution. This method also works great for converting multiple images into a single multi-page PDF. Simply select all the images you want in Finder, then open them all in Preview at once. They will appear as a stack. Then follow the same export as PDF steps to create one combined PDF file. The Files app, previously known as Finder, provides a quick way to convert images to PDF. Start by opening the Files app and locating your image file. Select the image you want to convert. Right-click on it to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Quick Look to preview the image. This opens a Quick Look window showing your image. In the Quick Look window, click the Share icon. From the drop-down menu, select Export as PDF. Choose your save location and the conversion is complete. This method is ideal for single images. For an alternative approach, you can drag multiple images into a new folder in the Files app. Right-click on the folder and select Create PDF from Selection. This will combine all the images in the folder into a single PDF file. Both methods in the Files app are straightforward and don't require any additional software. Batch conversion techniques allow you to convert multiple images to a single PDF document efficiently. Using the Preview app, start by selecting all the images you want to convert in the Finder window. Then open them with Preview using the right-click menu. Finally, export as a PDF through the File menu, creating one document with all images. Alternatively, in the Files app, select your images and right-click to use the Create PDF from Selection option. For even more efficiency in converting images to PDFs, use Automator, Apple's built-in automation tool. This app allows you to create custom workflows that automate repetitive tasks, saving you significant time. Start by opening Automator from your Applications folder. It's a free built-in app that comes with macOS. Once open, create a new document by selecting Workflow from the template options. This gives you a blank canvas to build your automation. In the Library panel on the left, select Files and Folders. This category contains actions for working with files and folders. Drag the Get Specified Finder Items action from the library to the workflow canvas on the right. This action allows you to specify which image files to process. Next, switch to the PDFs library section and drag Create PDF from Images into the workflow below the first action. This action will convert your selected images into a PDF file. In the Create PDF from Images action, you can configure settings like the output location, file name, and page sizing options. Choose where to save your PDF and set the quality as needed. Save your workflow as an application by going to File, Save As, and selecting Application. This creates a clickable app icon. For regular conversions of similar files, simply drag images onto this app or run it directly. Different file formats have varying compatibility with PDF conversion on Mac. JPG, PNG, and TIFF images work best for maintaining quality during the process. macOS also natively supports HEIC images from iPhones since macOS Big Sur, making it convenient for mobile photography. TIFF files, being lossless, preserve all image data and are ideal for professional uses. HEIC files from iPhones offer better compression than JPEG, resulting in smaller file sizes while maintaining similar visual quality. When exporting to PDF, higher quality settings will create larger files. For general use, a medium quality setting provides a good balance between file size and image clarity. Always start with the highest quality images available before converting to ensure the best results. Let's address some common troubleshooting issues and tips for converting images to PDFs on your Mac. First, ensure you have the latest macOS updates for the best compatibility. Open System Settings, go to General, then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. This ensures all conversion tools work smoothly. If your images look blurry in the PDF output, try exporting at a higher quality setting in Preview or use higher resolution original images. As you can see, low resolution images become pixelated, while high resolution ones maintain clarity. When dealing with scanned documents, consider using optical character recognition software to create searchable PDFs. This allows you to search and edit the text within the PDF. Look forward to future AI updates in macOS that will improve OCR accuracy and automation. Following these troubleshooting tips should help you resolve most conversion issues and ensure high-quality PDF output from your images. Looking ahead, future trends in image-to-PDF conversion on Mac promise exciting advancements. Expect more AI-powered automation in macOS, where the system will automatically suggest PDF conversion when you import images. This will make the process even more intuitive and efficient. Cloud integration will also deepen, allowing you to perform conversions directly from iCloud or services like Dropbox without downloading files first. This enhances convenience for remote work and collaboration. Keep an eye out for improved privacy features and enhancements to built-in OCR technology. These updates will provide better security for your files and make scanned documents more accessible through automatic text recognition. Finally, Apple continues its focus on user experience and sustainability, promoting digital PDFs to reduce paper waste and support eco-friendly practices in document management.